Let us analyze our seventh transaction. Rohan attends a conference to present his ideas to potential investors and customers and spends $150 on travel, accommodation, etc. We will keep in mind that every accounting transaction follows the double entry system, where each transaction involves at least one debit and one credit entry. This system ensures that the accounting equation assets equals to liabilities plus equity remains in balance. In other words, the total debits must equal the total credits for every transaction. Since Rohan spends $150, assets in the form of cash equal to $150 will be deducted. Let's remember here, decrease in an asset account is a credit entry. At the same time, since this is an expense, the owner's equity will also go down by $150. We must remember here, decrease in expense account is a credit entry. And there are no liabilities created for this transaction. The lesson from this transaction is expenses reduce owner's equity in the business. Revenues increase it.